Let's talk about what's really happening in San Diego's commercial real estate market. Behind the scenes, there's been a quiet strategy unfolding. It's called extend and pretend. Lenders have been letting borrowers extend maturing loans, hoping rates would drop or values would rebound. But now, that runway is getting shorter. A ton of those loans made in 2021 are starting to mature, and the numbers just don't pencil anymore. Let's take a closer look at San Diego. Office vacancy is sitting at 14%. Life science space, which was red hot a couple years ago, is now at over 25% vacancy. That's nearly double from last year. Leasing activity is soft, values are down, and if borrowers can't refinance, some properties could hit the market under pressure. This is where the pretend part of the strategy runs out. Now, this doesn't mean everything's about to crash, but it does mean we'll likely see more distressed sales, more aggressive underwriting, and possibly some big shifts in who's buying and who's forced to sell. So what should you be watching for? Number one, if you or your clients have loans maturing in the next year or so, now's the time to reevaluate your options. Not all lenders are lending, and those that aren't lending the same way. Number two, pay attention to asset types. Office and life science are under the most pressure right now, but that also means opportunity for those who are ready. And finally, structure matters. Recourse versus non-recourse, LTV, DSCR, liquidity, it all comes into play more than ever right now. And if you're navigating any of this, whether it's a refi, an acquisition, or just planning ahead, I'm deep in the deals every day. Reach out, I'm happy to walk you through what I'm seeing.